Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send money using TapTap Send. Let's get started. To begin, open the TapTap Send app on your device. Once the app is open, click on the option to log in or sign up. If you're new to the app, you'll need to create an account by entering your first name and last name. After that, you'll be prompted to provide your email address and set a password. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. A verification code will then be sent to the phone number you provided. Enter this code in the app to verify your phone number. Once your phone number is verified, you'll be able to log into your TapTap Send account. After logging in, you can start transferring money. To do this, select the country where the recipient is located. Then, enter the amount of money you want to send. Choose the transfer method that works best for you, such as a bank transfer. If you choose a bank transfer, you'll need to enter the recipient's bank details. Once all the necessary information is provided, you can proceed to send the money. This is how you verify your TapTap Send account and make money transfers.